Well, here's this a fan that I haven't made a video of ever since I got it. Ever since I got it, I don't know. But this is a Black Plus Decker 10-inch box fan. I think I used to have one of these, but that one was a much older version. This is the newer one. I'm not sure where are these sold. Maybe only on Amazon. I do not know. It's very similar to my Comfort Zone, which I still have. It has this style switch right here, and it has the spiral grill. Got the logo right here. Yeah. So the front is white, and then the black, and then the back is black. This right here is a handle, which I don't really use. And this box fan doesn't have a frame around it like the Comfort Zone does, or any of my full-size 20-inch box fans do. The box on this actually said, I don't have the box anymore, but it said 9-inch frameless box fan. And this starts from low, like my Comfort Zone does. So here's on, I guess we'll start with high. No, I'll actually go with low. It is putting out a decent breeze, not for a room, but just to clear yourself off. And it is actually super quiet. Alright, there's low, here's medium. Okay, there's not much of a difference between the speeds. And here's high. Even on high, it's super quiet. Here's a close-up sound of the blades running. It's a really nice fan. Spin down is pretty average for what it is. So, yeah, that's for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.